In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ElevenLabs account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your account. So, grab your device, open your web browser, and head over to the ElevenLabs website. Once you're there, sign in with the credentials for the specific account you wish to delete. Just a quick note here, make sure you're logged into the right account, as this action can't be undone. Now that you're logged in, look for the button that says Go to App. This button should be conveniently located right on the home page. Click that and you'll be taken to the main user interface where you can manage all aspects of your account. Once you're in the app, your next step is to access your profile settings. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the dashboard where you'll see your account name displayed. Click on the little arrow icon located next to it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you should select Profile. This is where you will find all your account settings, and it's important to tread carefully at this stage. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the profile page, and you will see a button that says Delete Account. This is a significant step, so I want you to pause for just a moment to consider the implications. Deleting your account is a permanent action. There's no going back. Once you've confirmed this deletion, both your account and any associated data will be irrevocably removed. This means all your stored information will be lost forever, and you won't be able to recover it once it's gone. So think it over and make sure that this is really what you want to do. If you are certain that you want to proceed, go ahead and click on that Delete Account button. The platform might prompt you to confirm your choice just to ensure everything is in order. Follow any additional prompts that pop up to finalize the deletion process. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your ElevenLabs account. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you've ensured that your account is no longer active. If you have any questions or if something went wrong during the process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. And remember, once you delete your account, it's gone for good, so double-check that you're ready for this final step. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to delete your ElevenLabs account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and